If you're in the market for a used car under $10,000, then you'll want to take a look at iSeeCars.com, which has over 300,000 cars listed for sale under $10,000. Those cars have an average price of $6,996. iSeeCars.com has simplified the car search process by developing unique technology to factor a car's price, mileage, age, and other key data in comparison to similar vehicles on the market. They use this information to calculate an estimated market price to use as a basis to determine whether or not a used car is a good deal. There are nearly 50,000 cars for sale under $10,000 that are listed as deals. Those have an average savings of $697 off the estimated market price. iSeeCars gives this 2003 Chevy Trailblazer a thumbs up as a deal. Their analysis points out it has 5 positive features and is $1,200 under the estimated market price. Positive features such as an alarm, that the car was owned by a non-smoker, bucket seats, and leather interior are analyzed and extracted from the description and placed right up front. These are helpful details that only iSeeCars.com offers for shoppers in the easiest way possible. Another deal is this 2005 Honda Civic, which iSeeCars.com analyzed to be $1,500 under the estimated market price. It has 4 positive features and low miles driven per year compared to the national average. To find the best car deals under $10,000, visit iSeeCars.com.